How to create a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. To do this, you will log in to Snapchat. Once here, you go to your profile on the top left corner. And now go to Settings on the top right corner. Here you will scroll down and tap on View My Story. You will tap on All. Then go to Spotlight, Response Settings, and you will also set it for everyone. Once you have set this to public, you'll come back to this section and you will scroll down till you find the public profile section. Tap here, and as you can see here, you'll be able to start setting up your public profile. Go to Continue and get started. As you can see, you can edit or delete your public profile at any time. Go to Create, and now your public profile has been created. If you tap here, you'll be able to see how your profile looks like. You can edit it or add a new story. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.